Today I'm going through the Year 6 SATS for Maths 2023 Paper 2, also known as Reasoning Paper 1. So question 6 is Kirsty buys 1 litre of apple juice for £1.39. She pays with a £5 note. How much change does Kirsty get? So I have to do £5 minus £1.39, and that gives me £3.61. Because I can see how much I need to get from £1.39 to £2, and then from £2 to £5. So I need 61p to get from £1.39 to £2, and then I need 3 more pounds to get to £5. So question 7 is, here is a number sequence 75, 50, 25. Write the next two numbers in the sequence. So I can see I need to spot a pattern, and as you can see, it's subtracting 25 each time. So 25 minus 25 is 0, and 0 minus 25 is negative 25. Like and subscribe for more.